Assalamualaikum. Today, we will be presenting our group project in MAT183, that is calculus 1. The topic of our group project is technique of differentiation. This is our group members. My name is Nur Ali Afzal binti Masri.
My name is Nur Aini Hidi binti Abubakar. My name is Nur Ala Kisina binti Muhammad.
The meaning of differentiation is the problem of finding the tangent line to a curve, and the problem of finding the velocity of an object. Both involve finding the same type of limit. This special type of limit is called a derivative.
There were many differentiation techniques. One of them is sum or difference rule, power rule, constant and multiply rules, chain rules, quotient, and product rule. Today I will present the solution for question 1a. We are going to find the first derivative. Fx equal to 2 over x squared plus cube of 5x minus 7x to the power of 5. First we write the function using exponent notation like this, and then we apply the power rule and the constant multiple rule for the differentiate. For the first term it will be minus 4x to the power of negative 3. For the second term, it will be 5 over 3 multiplied with 5x to the power of negative 2 over 3. And for the third term, it will be negative 35x to the power of 4. And then we combine all the derivative of each term. And then we write the derivative and simplify form. And the final answer is like this. We on to question 1b. We need to find the derivative of the function fx equal to x squared minus 3x all over square for x plus 9. First we write the function using exponent notation, and it will be like this. And then we identify the rule and define the variable using quotient rule. And then we define u as the numerator and v as the denominator, then find the respective derivative. And u x squared minus 3x, u prime 2x minus 3, v for x plus 9 to the power of 1 over 2. And for the v prime, we apply the chain rule, and the result is 2 multiplied with 4x plus 9 to the power of negative 1 over 2. We substitute the term into the quotient rule produce formula. It will be like this. Then we simplify the denominator. The result is 4x plus 9. And we combine and we write the derivative expression, and it will be like this. And then we convert the negative exponent into a fraction, and we find the common denominator for the numerator term, and it will be like this, and c will be like this. Then we combine the denominator, it will be like this, f prime, and we expand the numerator, f prime at 8x squared plus 18x minus 12x minus 27 minus 2x squared minus 6x all over 4x plus 9 to the power of 3 over 2. And we group like term fx like this, f prime x like this, and then we simplify it, and we do like this, f prime 6x squared plus 12x minus 27 all over 4x plus 9 to the power of 3 over 2, and factorize the final answer. It will be like this. That's all from me. For the question 2, first we need to apply power rule. First we need to organize the u and u prime, v and v prime. So u, we will substitute the component back into the formula as the written. This is u prime multiplied with v plus v prime multiplied with u. So as we can see, we have two same exponent, so we can factor out the common exponent term, the final outcome. And then we move on for the question 2b. So we have to find the derivative of each of the three terms separately. This one will be the first term, this is second term, and third term. For the term 1, we need to check the sign function. Simplify by 2x minus 3 cos x squared minus 3x. On for the term 2 is the loan. We can apply the quotient rule for this second term. So to simplify this big expression, we can use the ln a over b equals to ln a minus ln b. We can differentiate these two parts to become simple using the root as we can see this part. We will differentiate 1 by 1 equals to 2 exponent to the power 2s over exponent to the power 2s minus 3 equals to negative 4 over 1 minus 4s. So after we differentiate, it will become like this. Minus will multiply in negative 4. So it will become positive third term. We can check the power function. It will become positive 18, 1 minus 3s to the power of 5. Put all three corrected parts together side by side. So this is f prime s equals to 2s minus 3 or s squared minus 3s plus 2 exponent 2x to the power 2s over exponent to the power 2s minus 3 plus 4 over 1 minus 4s plus 18. Bracket 1 negative minus 3s to the power of.
Moving on to question 3. In question 3, we need to use implicit differentiation to find the derivative of dy over dx. This implicit differentiation is used when there are two variables, in this case is x and y. We start by differentiating both sides with respect to x. Each term will be handled separately using the product rule and the chain rule. For this ln x y squared, we'll use the chain rule. It will result in this. Then we will apply product rule to x y squared so that the result will become like this. By solving this, we will get y squared plus x times 2y dy dx. And after solving all of this, we will get this. This is the final answer to the differentiation of ln x y squared. Now then, we will differentiate second 5x plus 3y. The result of second is second times x times 10. And then we will times the differentiate of the inside of the second function. The result will get this. Second 5x plus 3y times 10, 5x plus 3y times 5 plus 3y dy over dx. Now then, we will differentiate the term on the right hand side. By differentiate, this is the final expression for dy dx. After we will further copy the process, the equation as it is, and we will differentiate the power of it. It will result in this. And the last term, we will differentiate as usual, which will be like 6x squared. By solving this, we will get the last answer on the right hand side. Okay. Now, we combine all the differentiate part. After simplification, we group all terms containing d over dx terms together. Each step is crucial for isolating dy over dx. After grouping d over dx together, we will get it like this. And then, to solve it, we will move d over dx to one side and the one without it to another side. So, now, this is the final expression for dy dx after all the process. Okay, moving on to question 4. Question 4 requires us to use linear approximation to estimate the value of 28 minus 3 times 1.1 to the power of 2. Correct. They want us to answer 3 decimal place. Firstly, we will define the function first, and this function is as follows: 28 minus 3x squared to the power 1 over 2. And we will set x 1.1 and x 0 as 1, while dx is x minus x 0. We will get 0.1. First, and then the second step is to find the derivative of fx. F prime x equal to 1 over 2 times 28 minus 3x squared to the power 1 over 2. And then we will differentiate on the inside. We will get negative 6x. We will put this in much simpler term that will turn into this. And then we will evaluate fx 0 and f prime x 0. This will get us the value to put into the linear approximation formula, which is f1.1 equal to f1 plus f prime 1 times dx, which is 0.1 we get earlier. After putting all the value in each place, we will get the answer as 4.94. So the final answer of this equation is 5.94. That will be the end of question 2. In conclusion, technique of differentiation such as the power, chain, and quotient rule are fundamental calculus tools used to simplify complex equations and calculate the exact rate of change for real-world application. That will be the end of our group project. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.